Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today. And man, I'm telling you, these stripes are on fire. The bluegrass is looking really good right now. Remember that video I did not too long ago to where I had the straight line down the middle and it kind of waved out on the side, looked like a little pitchfork? Well, today I'm gonna...
Keep it down. He'll hear you. Grab that, grab that. What do you think that's for?
Today I'm going to show you how to play...
Sun drop tastes like pee. Watch it. Hey, watch out, watch out.
Hey! Get back here! I don't do this often. I think you're the first people that's come. Well, other than Mike come in the springtime.
Mike.
And what's your first name?
Aaron.
Aaron. And what's your first name? Ben.
Yeah, isn't that weird knowing, like, you feel like you get to know people through YouTube, no idea what their names
they still
are. I
know
meet
their
some
name.
people, I'm not telling Jordan, like, what's that guy's name?
I
again?"
know you as the left tool. You are the left tool. And I guess you're the wrong tool, right? Or the right tool.
Wrong.
You see who's out here at the house now? Come over here, guys. Come on.
Oh, I
Come
thought I
on.
was in the shot already.
Yeah. Ben, Aaron, Jordan. Right tool and left tool, the lawn tools. He finds you on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram,
MySpace.
MySpace, that space. You're all
Pete
over.
Space.
Pete Space. They're in Pete's yard today, but you're just all over the place. So,
All over.
Bermuda grass, predominantly. Although you got a little bit of.
You want to try it? Try some blue.
Try some blue.
I got some
little bit of rye.
little Kentucky blue muta going on in the backyard over the winter time.
Yeah, you got some blue muta. I watched their channel some. They're funny as all get out. Dude, when we saw the video of you with the weed eater and the toilet brush, dude, we almost had to pull the car over. We were laughing so hard. So, a lot of humor, some good information, a lot of really good looking turf. What is it, Tahoma?
Well, Tahoma 31, Safeway 419, some Monaco, different Bermuda grass, but mostly, yeah, Tahoma 31's kind of the bread and butter where our favorite spots are right now.
Yeah, and it looks really good. Got kind of like a golf course type setup, putting greens and that kind of thing. So they come over. We just got back from a GIE, and they just kind of stopped by and they mowed a little bit of fescue today, and they mowed some bluegrass today. And I always like to ask people this: what's your first impression when you roll up? As far as, all right, I see Pete on YouTube. I see what the grass looks like on YouTube, but now your eyes are here looking at it. Give me that take on it.
I always wonder if there are any camera tricks and the angles and that sort of thing, because just filming YouTube videos, you know there are different angles and things that make it look better.
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't matter on your grass because we get here and you're looking right down on it. It's just as thick in real life. Like there's not any space in between these grass
Good.
blades. It is awesome, and the stripes look amazing in person too. Like there's no camera tricks. This guy's not a good enough editor to do any camera tricks.
You can say
And
that
now
again.
we know that personally
Well,
firsthand.
we rolled up, and I said, "Wow, look at those stripes," and he said, "We haven't even mowed
We
it
haven't
yet."
even mowed yet.
Yeah, that's right.
And then they were blazing.
like glowing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So humbly saying, and I take a lot of pride in my yard, and the camera sometimes just don't do it justice. So I kind of like
Yeah,
Oh,
no, that's true.
Yeah.
So good stuff. Well, you remember I had a kind of a funky pitchfork looking mow pattern, and basically we played off of that pattern, and we kind of turned it into straight lines, and you can see some of the
A little bit of the
There's
curve.
a little bit of the curve in it a little bit, where it kind of makes a funky little box and ain't really a diamond or a square or nothing like that. So I do that all throughout the year. Like if I stripe
Good
the
change
yard
it
a
up.
certain way and I'm going to change it up and mow again, I like to play off of the previous
last one,
stripes, and it's just kind of ongoing and ongoing and ongoing. And that's kind of how you keep the yard
Guessing.
fresh and
Oh.
guessing. Yes, you keep the yard guessing. Well, what's Pete gonna do next? You know, so it's really cool. I have had a blast.
Oh, we've had a blast. We appreciate you having us.
This is so much fun, and you guys are absolutely welcome here anytime you want to come back for whatever reason. Mow, food, you want to ride in the race car, it don't matter.
There you go.
So, thanks for having
Yeah,
us.
we appreciate it.
Yeah, and y'all been here pretty much all day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It has
Yeah,
been.
yeah.
Apologize for that.
No, you're fine. It's a lot of mowing, isn't it?
It is a lot.
It's-
It took time.
It's 15,000 square feet back here and 14-ish around the house. So it ain't something you can just jump out
Right.
here and mow it in 10 minutes and
Mhm.
you're done. It's almost an all-day event to mow all of it. So
Especially double cutting. We did two
Yeah, we
directions
double
on the
cut
front
it.
and the back. Yep.
you ran the real mower
Mhm.
and then we went behind it with the Allet to really tighten things up. So cool. Well, there you go. I don't know where they're going now, but they're going to get out of my yard because I'm tired of messing with them. Get out of here. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later. It's okay. You can rub it. Rub it a little bit. Yeah. See? It's okay. Learning how to run a walk-behind mower
That ain't a normal walk behind mower, I don't think.
on the pavement so you don't tear Pete's grass up. All right, here's his first turnaround attempt. We're going to see how this goes. Oh, Lord. Whoa. Those tires turning. Oh, there you go. Good job. Woo-hoo. You're a pro!
Up a little bit.
Roll with it. Makes you want some fescue, don't it? You got a license for that?
Guess?
Was that real?
That's my license for gas.
You're recording? Okay.
Shh, keep it down. Stop it. Get Jay business. He'll hear you. Grab that, grab that.
What do you think that's worth?
This sun drop tastes like pee. Shh, be quiet. He's gonna hear you. Oh. Watch it. Hey, watch out, watch out. We gotta go. Go, go. Oh, I think he might have.
Gosh, that was loud. You put a dent in my door. What the heck, man? He nailed my door, man. Look at that. Okay, that's funny.
Now we do need to run away.
Yeah, now you really need to run. He's coming. All right, everybody that comes out here gets to do it.
Oh.
Vertical in there.
Let's see what we got
See
here.
how strong he is.
That's not an irrigation head right there, is it? No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
Right through a wire line.
That's crazy. Oh, jeez.
That's crazy, isn't it?
Oh, that is crazy. There's no way. Yeah, like on my lawn.
Smooth like butter.
What are we looking
at? Oh.
So it actually is a
It's a meter. It tells you the compaction.
down spot.
Yeah, I bet you did.
I hit 200. Is that good?
I don't know.
Wow. That's some good soil. You pick a new spot. That was my spot. Pick a new-
Wow.
Oh, whoa! A little hard pan there.
Yeah, there is a little hard spot.
Yeah, a little hard spot. That is unacceptable. I will
Dig that spot
I
up.
will dig that up and fix it. What in the world is that?